All right, we got natural gas pulling back again after another test of weekly high resistance. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. You can see natural gas hit the same high as the last 3 days, or last 2 days, 313, which matches now this orange 50 moving average. You can see today's high was almost an exact 313, and then the 50 moving average is at 313. So, and then we have a pullback from there, opening up the door for a likely test of support around Tuesday's low of 296, which correlates with Wednesday's low is 296, which correlates with this light blue anchored volume weighted average price line that starts all the way back here in the low of 2024. So that's a long-term significant potential support area. That was support back here, failed as support here, was tested as resistance here, tested again, and now it's broken through. So if it maintains that breakout, there will continue to be a bias to the upside. At the same time, it wouldn't be surprising to see a pullback to test support at the purple 20 moving average that was resistance, now becomes support, currently at 289. A bullish reversal off the anchored VWAP level would be a slightly stronger or more bullish indication than a pullback to the 20, but either one, a bounce off either, could lead to a breakout above this 50 moving average and then this potential resistance zone up to 319. A break above this high triggers changes the characteristics and integrity of this downtrend, and the same with the breakout above this high. Depending on how you want to measure the wedge, and I've measured it starting up here, this would be the high of the wedge and therefore the target 315. Otherwise, we could also say this is the target based on where the beginning of the wedge is at 319. So that's the high of this downward sloping consolidation zone. A decisive breakout above the 50 has natural gas heading towards the top of this long-term declining channel and the 200 moving average. Let me just move this back up. Somehow this got dropped a little bit. The 200 moving average and the top of this, yep, the whole thing got moved. There we go. And the top of that channel. The 200 moving average is now at 350. All right, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great weekend.